dysfunctional vet with a quick plot of how I'm getting the water to the garden. Alright, we start here. That's a one-way valve, which is feeding the water to this shutoff. This shutoff comes out and it tees, and this right here is nothing but a drain so that I can remove back pressure. As we come along, we come up to what I call the vault. That paper towel is what I was using when I was doing the PVC. I'll probably leave that in when I bury it. It's biodegradable. The water comes in through this. It goes into this regulator, which is completely backed off. It's supposed to be 25 to 75 pounds regulation, or pressure out. I've got it backed off all the way, and I'm getting a little over 20 something, maybe about 22, which is fine. My pressure gauge, the water comes around and it goes into this valve. And this is a battery, this is completely autonomous. This doesn't require electricity to run. This turns off the water, which feeds through this line here, and it comes out, and it'll have the connection to the garden hooked onto this. Now all this is 1/2-inch PVC, and the reason for this valve is in the off event that something happens down the way, trees uproot all the time and the water line gets broken, this will prevent a loss of water, because this will only snap on to allow the other system to work. This is just a safety feature because I don't want to end up losing a lot of water.